Got money on the move with Uphold and wondering, when is this actually going to land? If you've ever felt that slight knot of impatience as you wait for funds to clear, you're in the right place. It's a common question, and one that often lacks a straightforward answer because, well, Uphold transactions aren't always a one-size-fits-all scenario. We're talking about a platform that bridges traditional finance with the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, and that inherently introduces some variables. Think about it. You might be funding your Uphold account from a bank, or perhaps sending crypto to an external wallet, or even trading between different assets within Uphold. Each of these actions interacts with different systems and protocols, and those differences are key to understanding the varying time frames. It's not like mailing a letter where you just drop it in the box and wait. Here, you're dealing with a complex digital ecosystem. So, let's break down the typical Uphold transaction times, starting with the most common scenarios. First off, funding your Uphold account. If you're using a debit or credit card, these transactions are usually instant. The funds hit your account almost immediately, allowing you to start trading or sending right away. This is generally the quickest way to get money onto the platform. However, be mindful of any daily or weekly limits your card issuer or Uphold might impose. Now, if you're using a bank transfer, ACH in the US, or SEPA in Europe, things slow down a bit. ACH transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days to clear. This isn't Uphold's doing, but rather the nature of the traditional banking system. Banks operate on a different schedule, and these transfers go through several steps of verification and processing. During this waiting period, you might see the funds reflected as pending in your Uphold account, but they won't be available for withdrawal or sending until they've fully settled. SEPA transfers in Europe are often a bit faster, usually taking 1 to 2 business days. Moving on to crypto transactions. When you're sending cryptocurrency from your Uphold account to an external wallet, the speed largely depends on the specific cryptocurrency and its blockchain network. Bitcoin transactions, for example, can take anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion and the fee you paid. Ethereum transactions are often faster, typically clearing in minutes, but again, network traffic can influence this. Altcoins generally follow similar patterns to Bitcoin or Ethereum, depending on their underlying technology. Uphold processes these sends fairly quickly on their end, but the blockchain's inherent speed is the ultimate determinant. What about transacting within Uphold? If you're exchanging one cryptocurrency for another, or converting fiat to crypto, these internal transactions are typically instantaneous. Uphold manages these conversions on its own platform, so you'll see the updated balances almost immediately. This is one of Uphold's strengths, seamless and rapid internal conversions. Lastly, withdrawing funds from Uphold. If you're withdrawing cryptocurrency to an external wallet, it's the same time frame as sending crypto, dependent on the blockchain. If you're withdrawing fiat currency back to your bank account, you're again looking at those 3 to 5 business days for ACH or 1 to 2 for SEPA, as it's essentially a reverse bank transfer. Understanding these different timelines is crucial for managing your expectations and planning your financial moves on Uphold. It's about knowing which lever you're pulling and how long it typically takes for that particular mechanism to engage. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.